In this video, I will show you how to take a Canva file and save as a PDF. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are on canva.com. So I've got this design loaded through, which is just a picture of my logo. Now you can go ahead and save any design as a PDF file, so it doesn't have to necessarily be like a document or something like that. Now, once you've got your design loaded through, to go ahead and save this as a PDF, it's really easy to do. What you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the share button up here. So what that's going to do is bring up a menu like this, and from here you want to come down and click onto download. And what's going to happen by default is going to select the file type which is most appropriate to your design. So if it's like an image, it's going to save as a file type. As you can see, it says suggested PNG. If it's like a video, then it's going to go ahead and say MP4 video. However, to change this to PDF, all you need to do is simply click onto this box and you're going to get some different options to save your design. So you can see we have two options. We have PDF standard and PDF print. So PDF standard is good if you're just using this on your computer or you're sending it as an email. But if you was looking to print your PDF file, then what you're going to want to do is select PDF print. So you just want to go ahead and select whichever option is best for you. And as you can see, there are some additional options. So what you can do is choose to flatten the PDF and include notes if you want to. And once you're happy with that, just go ahead and press the download button just here. As you can see, that's now downloading onto my PC, and you can see it's just up here. So it's actually saved as a PDF. And if I go ahead and click onto this, it's going to open this in a PDF format. As you can see in the address bar at the top, it says .pdf. So that's how to take your Canva file and save as a PDF. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.